trong sát gì luôn nó nói bây giờ youth nó bây giờ mua răng đâu về không ta xí có sao hãy có speech là hãy có nhận được cái ở đây nhà có trong sát có gì là nhận có gì tao lúc có thì có hạ bên lên nó sẽ
This is my brother, Kelvin Yang, and my dad is Nu Bao Yang. Dad, can you please stand up? So yeah, that's my dad right there, and yeah, his name is Nu Bao Yang. And I just want to thank my dad for everything, because really, in my life right now, without my dad, I really can't do anything. He saved my life a lot of times when I was missing some stuff from school. He was staying home and then he had time to drop off my homework that I forgot at home. He saved my life a lot. That's all I have to say. And thank you, Dad. Happy Father's Day.
This is my sister, Grace. And Gusada. Chào cho cô chị who have shared his love and encouraged me. Thank you, Dad. And good to see you, Dr. Garcia. He's over there. Thank you.
My name is Abigail. I'm Jiblu's oldest daughter. I just want to say Happy Father's Day and thank you for making me what I needed to for coming.
Good day, Jane. I good brother, Chisane. Good to see you, one thing that I know I can depend. I know I can depend on my dad. Every time I need him, he's always there. And I just want to say Happy Father's Day to him. Because he knows that we all love him. And how every little thing that he does for us, we all show it to him that we care for him. And we just want to thank him for that.
Rosie, and this is my sister, Carissa, and my brother, Paul. Good to see Wayne Chu, right there. So this is my speech. Dad, you're like an angel sent down from heaven. You were there to comfort me when I was crying. You gave me advice in my state of confusion. You raised me from when I was young and taught me about love and respect. You showed me kindness and put me first, making sure I was okay. Dad, you are my role model and my hero. You're a blessing to our family, and you're perfect in every way. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tim. My dad is Sifu. He already knows that I love him so much. So, I just wanted to talk about all you other dads out here tonight or today. I want to thank you guys for being here today, and without you guys, bringing your kids here. We're all here today. We can all just be together and enjoy ourselves and just fellowship together. And I want to thank you for all the hard work you're doing. Whether it's working out, at your jobs, every day of the week, or just being home and taking care of your own families. Just want to thank you guys for taking care of all of us kids, so that we can grow up and we can succeed in life. And I just want to thank you and say Happy Father's Day.
So then we just want to wish you guys Happy Father's Day.